Hello students, we discussed two cases of differential equation of degree more than 1. The first case was solvable for p, second case solvable for y. Now we discuss third case which is solvable for x. I am sharing my screen. So third is solvable for x. So again we consider the same differential equation as in previous case. Which is some relation between x, y and p. P is dy by dx. We call this equation as 1. We assume that this can be solved for x. That means suppose 1 can be put in the form x equal to some function g of y and p. We call this as equation 2. Now the procedure is analogous. In the previous case, we were differentiating with respect to x. Now we differentiate this with respect to y. Okay. So first step is differentiating to with respect to y. We get, so left hand side is dx by dy and right hand side function g contains y as well as p. We treat p as a function of y here and differentiate with respect to y. So it is partial derivative of g with respect to y into 1 because it is dy by dy plus partial derivative of g with respect to p into dp by dy. Now left hand side is dx upon dy. Dx by dy is 1 upon dy by dx. So it is 1 upon p equal to del g by del y plus del g by del p into dp by dy. So we give this equation number 3. Now 3 is differential equation in p which is of first order and first degree. Okay, this is differential equation in p. We solve this differential equation and obtain solution and call it as g. Suppose g of x, g of y. Okay, so this is dp by dy. So p in variable y. So it is in y, p and arbitrary constant c. So solution of 3 is relation between y, p and arbitrary constant c. Suppose this is solution of 3 and next step is eliminate P from 4 and the relation x equal to capital G of yp, that is 2, 4 and 2. Two of 10 relation between x, y and arbitrary constant c, and which is required solution. So again, as in previous case, note is if it is not possible to eliminate P, then equation 4 along with 2 will form a solution. If it is not possible to eliminate P, then the equation 4 along with 2 form solution of differential equation 1. We solve examples. First example, solve p square y plus 2px equal to y. Again, remember that this equation can be solved for p because it is quadratic in p. This can also be solved for y, and we can use second case. Here, to explain this third case, I will put it in the form as x equal to some function of y and p. So this example can be solved using 3 methods. So your homework is use other 2 methods and find solution. And you can realize that some method is simpler than the other. Okay. So let us see. So possibly this method will be difficult and your homework will be simpler. So we rewrite given DE, so we call this DE as 1, given DE 1 as, so we need x as function of p and y. So it is 1 minus p square into y upon 2p. You can check it easily. So we call this as 2. Now our first step is differentiate this with respect to y. So differentiating with respect to y, we get left hand side is dx by dy, which is 1 upon p as we discussed in theory, equal to differentiation with respect to y. So it is 1 by 2, which is constant. And now differentiation of 1 minus p square into y divided by p. So it is of the form u upon v. Differentiation is v into du minus u into dv upon v square. So we may write here 2 into p square. Okay, so let me write p square So denominator is p, derivative of numerator. Now numerator is product of two functions, 1 minus p square and y. We have to differentiate with respect to y. So it is 1 minus p square into differentiation of y with respect to y, it is 1, plus y into differentiation of 1 minus p square with respect to y. So it is minus 2p into dp by dy. Okay. So denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator 1 minus p square into y into derivative of denominator dp by dy. Now we simplify this using routine algebra, and you can find that this becomes p equal to minus y into dp up by dy. The details are given in notes also. So this gives dp by p plus dy by y equal to 0, or we can have on integration and simplification it is okay. This is log of p plus log of y equal to log of c. So py equal to c, or p equal to c upon y. So this is, I think, number 3. Yes, this is number 3. So here we get explicit value of p. So we substitute 3 in 2. Substitute in 2. Substituting in 2 we get. So what is 2? 2 is x equal to 1 minus p square into y upon 2p. So x equal to 1 minus p square. P square is c square by y square upon 2p. So 2c upon y into y. So this is y square minus c square divided by 2c. So y square equal to 2cx plus c square is a required solution. Let us see one more example. So example 2, solve x equal to y plus p square. Again, this is solvable for p, solvable for y, as well as solvable for x. Now given form is x equal to y plus p square, which is solvable for x. Okay, we differentiate with respect to y here. So left hand side is dx by dy. Dx by dy is 1 upon p equal to right hand side differentiation with respect to y, it is 1 plus 2p into dp by dy. Okay, So the differential equation is 1 upon p minus 1 equal to 2p dp by dy, which is variable separable form as 1 minus p upon 2p square equal to dp by dy, or 2p square upon 1 minus p dp equal to dy. So we solve this differential equation. The details of finding integration of p square upon 1 minus p are given in the notes. We need to substitute 1 minus p as u, and the solution is therefore on integration. It is log of 1 upon 1 minus p bracket square plus 4 times 1 minus p minus 1 minus p square. This is integration, and right hand side is dy, so integration is y plus c. Okay, so here we have used substitution. U equal to 1 minus p. So this is number 2, where finding p from this equation is not simpler. So we can say that the equation 2 along with 1 is solution of given differential equation. Thank you.